I really can't understand this. Muhdo Health is without question one of the most undervalued projects in crypto right now. And while eyes are elsewhere, Muhdo is building something that taps into $1 trillion market, personalised health optimisation. Muhdo is pioneering DNA-driven insights that allow users to tailor fitness, diet, supplements and lifestyle around their own genetic blueprint. And by the way, they're giving away a DNA kit valued at £250 on their Instagram, so you have till Monday to participate, and I recommend you check that out. And this service is exactly the kind of service wealthy individuals already spending fortunes flying to clinics and biohacking centers worldwide to get personalized longevity treatment. Muhdo has built the infrastructure to democratize access, making the same science-backed enhancements available to everyone. So Muhdo has all the pieces in place, and I really can't believe that more people aren't paying attention. This is one of those projects where early recognition could pay off massively, so check the whole thing out. This is my research, do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.